Welcome back to Kylie's Fun Family Toy Time. I'm Kylie.
I'm Callan.
And today we're going to be making 3-ingredient cookies. You heard me right, 3-ingredient cookies. These are the ingredients that we'll need for 3-ingredient cookies. 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 egg, and 1 cup of sugar. Now, the first step we're going to need is 1 cup of sugar. Now we're going to add 1 cup of peanut butter to the bowl. Yummy peanut butter.
3 hours later.
This looks good, right, Cal?
Yeah.
And I use a spatula because it's easier to scoop in instead of using the measuring cup because it doesn't really fit in the peanut butter container. This is so fun. We need a little bit more. This is a lot of peanut butter. Now we're going to crack 1 egg into a bowl. The reason why we're putting it in the bowl, just in case if I get any shells in it. Now we have all 3 ingredients in the bowl. Now we're going to mix it. Cal, now it's your turn to stir. Is it fun, Cal?
Yeah. I want you to do it now.
Now we're going to use our cookie dough and put them on a pan with parchment paper and make them about this size. You want to do one now? It's a little bit too much dough. There you go. Now roll it in your hands, Cal. Oh, put them over here. Oh. So you have to put them a little bit far apart so it won't get smushed together. Now we're going to press these down with the fork. Make sure that you only press them down really lightly, unless they'll stick up. And then you go this side. Now we're going to put these in the oven at 350 degrees and put them in for 10 to 15 minutes. Now we're going to try our cookies. They look really good. I hope you like them. Ready, Cal?
Yeah.
Yummy. They're really good and crunchy. I hope you loved our video. Make sure you subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.